If you're looking for a quick way to integrate Tenable with AWS Security Hub, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to seamlessly connect these two platforms to strengthen your cloud security and vulnerability management in just a few steps. First thing you'll want to do is set up Tenable, IO or Tenable.sc, depending on which version you're using. This is crucial because AWS Security Hub integrates with both platforms. You'll need to ensure your Tenable account is active and has the necessary permissions to push findings to AWS Security Hub. Next, you'll head over to AWS. If you don't have AWS Security Hub already enabled, go ahead and activate it from the AWS Management Console. Once enabled, navigate to the Security Hub section and choose to configure integrations. Look for the option to connect Tenable with AWS Security Hub. This is where the magic happens. Once you've selected the Tenable integration, AWS will prompt you for a set of API credentials. These credentials are provided by Tenable, so you'll need to log into your Tenable account to generate them. It's a simple process that ensures secure communication between Tenable and AWS Security Hub. The next thing you need to do is configure Tenable's connector. You'll input the API credentials that you just created in AWS into the Tenable platform. This allows Tenable to send vulnerability data directly to Security Hub. Make sure to specify which types of findings you want to push to Security Hub, as this helps streamline your security processes. Now that the integration is set up, you'll want to ensure that Security Hub is configured to automatically ingest and process the findings from Tenable. Once this is done, you'll start seeing security findings from Tenable appear in AWS Security Hub. This is a great way to centralize your cloud security posture and track vulnerabilities in one place. Finally, make sure to test everything. Run a few vulnerability scans in Tenable and check AWS Security Hub to confirm the integration is working smoothly. You should see the findings from Tenable appear in Security Hub's findings section, and you'll be able to prioritize and respond to those issues more efficiently. And here's a quick reminder. If you're still unsure about how to implement these steps, we've got you covered with a link to an exclusive, extended free trial for Tenable in the description below. With this, you can get started today without any cost. Integrating Tenable with AWS Security Hub isn't just about connecting two tools, it's about improving your overall security posture and managing vulnerabilities across your cloud environments more effectively. Don't forget to use the first link below to grab your free trial and start securing your AWS environments today.